the rest of it. If you have any questions about this outside aircraft, or you want to say anything, please feel free to stop by our booth, find out myself or any of our maintenance professionals. If you'd like to see what we do around the grid, you can
zany, crazy, but very, very clever. Grant can take us through most of that. While I've got you, I just want to put something out in the story, folks, regarding the Mosquito, which you'll see take off very shortly. This beautiful, newly minted Mosquito from Avspecs, Warren Denon's team in Ardmore, Auckland. The fourth that he's done. It's world-class restoration. But Brett Emily, his father, I bring up the late, great Brett Emily again. His father flew Mosquitoes in World War II for sure. They shut down in Burma. There'll be a tribute flight with Grant Bethel, owner-operator of 251D, shortly in the program. Something to look forward to.
left to right, folks.
So the Ardmore 5th is on the way, flown by an amazing pilot, a man from the USA by the name of Steve Hinton, who holds world speed records from 1979 to 1989 and won 6 unlimited class air races, including 2 national champs. And he also won 4 consecutive unlimited races in 1 year. This is been retired from racing in 1990. And he's got the horrible job now going on the world test flying Mosquitoes.
Yes, of course, 2 what you might say Spitfire engines, 4 machine guns, 4 20mm cannons.